he gets charged with a sexual assault upstairs, or he's on bond for a sexual assault.
He's on bond.
And then he picks up an indecent.
No. Plea bargain down to a Class A indecent assault.
The felony court does not do misdemeanor probations, so we have to refile it as a misdemeanor. That's what the plea deal was, essentially.
So it was a reduction to a misdemeanor,
Correct.
indecent assault,
Correct.
to a 2-year deferred. We have a powerful victim impact statement here. We have it's being reduced to a misdemeanor, 2-year deferred. Apparently, no one's consulted her regarding this thing, you know? How do you speak to the offense, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm not gonna find you guilty. I'm gonna withhold that for 2 years.
I think if you knew the full set of facts, because you only heard one side, I think you would consider it.
And I would like to know it.
Yeah.
Because I think it's appropriate, you know?
Right.
I mean, if you want me to seriously consider it, I would need to know why.
Okay.
Why would we do that? You know, because I have someone who's saying it happens, who's mad at the state for reducing it, you know, who didn't want it, wanted to put him to trial. And, you know, it just came and like kind of bit us all of a sudden, you know? So I don't know.
And that was all new, because in speaking with Gabe, I think everything was already set, that she was on board for that or whatever. And the stuff,
She was on board for the deferred.
as far as I understood, yeah, because that's why they had put it down. Because what had happened is that, just a quick brief facts, is that they were dating relationship and she was the hairdresser. They went out on a date, everything went well. They went out on this particular date. She goes to his house. She's already on deferred for an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
No kidding.
Yes, so she's got criminal history. So they drive her car to a bar, Astros game, drink, comes back to his house, and mom and sister live with him. So she stays the night. She gets undressed, leaves her panties on, gets into bed, and then she admits to kissing, she admits to fondling, and then it's just at the moment of truth. Did she really say no? Now, she told you that she was going in and out of consciousness and was assaulted 3 times. She never said that. Even in the forensic interview, she never mentioned that happening. And she did not allege multiple times. She just alleged once. In the morning, she wakes up, she waves bye to mom and sister. They drive back. He drives her car back to her house. They have breakfast at her house and watch TV all day. And then he goes home. And then later that night, she calls 911.
I'll let Gabe.
So let's you know, bring Gabe. Let's talk about it, and then we'll see.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not unopposed. You know,
Yeah, and then the same expert was going to testify that he could not be excluded, but
tell me there could be potential others. Wow. Yeah, let's talk to Gabe. Bring him by.
I can reach out to him, Judge.
Bring him by. Not today. It's too late today. But bring him by perhaps tomorrow or Monday. There's no rush. I mean, I don't know, when is he set to go in?
I think it's Friday. No, is it? I have to check.
They're still taking people in on Fridays, yeah.
Even on the Friday?
Yeah, they're 24.
Oh, he's set to go in this Friday. Then we got to talk tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay, I'll be here too.
Okay, just let Dave know.
I'll send him an email, see what he says. Okay. And he may just say no, and then I'll just let him know we don't have
Show
to
me
do
whatever
anything.
you have so I can see, you know,
Okay.
see.
And if he wants to approach and he wants to just give me everything he's got, like I can do that too. So whatever works.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Judge.
Yes, you ready, Joe?
Yes.
Do we have DVD?
So, well, I talked to Gabe. He doesn't want to come down here. He says he's just going to defer to whatever you say. Yes.
You don't care?
I'm sorry?
You don't care?
Judge, the complaining witness, a screenshot of the YouTube, put him on blast and sent it to him 5 times on Saturday night. So we doesn't want anything to do with the case.
Oh,
And as I mentioned, which these are the 2 charges. I was actually out on bond for aggravated assault with a weapon for stabbing her boyfriend. She also had a prior assault slapping her mom, so she's not an angel. And like I said, my client does have an 11-month-old baby that he co-parents with. He also takes care of his mother. This is a statement from the doctor that he has Alzheimer's, so he takes care of his mother that has Alzheimer's.
You know, my concern though is that, my concern is that did it happen? Did he take advantage of her when she was in a semi-conscious state, you know? There, is it? I mean, I just,
And like I said, Judge, none of this was in the forensic interview. It was like an hour long. She never mentioned any of that stuff that she was mentioning to you.
why would we reward him further?
I'm sorry?
Why would we reward him further?
I don't think it's a reward, Judge. I think it's justice. I mean, case is what, almost 3 years old now? He came to all his trial settings. I mean, he's lost jobs opportunities because of this. He has a bachelor in telecommunications.
Hey, fun in the house, that's not punishment. You know, I'd sit there and play Fortnite all day. That's like a dream for me, quite frankly.
Right, Judge.
I mean, what kind of punishment is that to sit there, you know?
I mean, it's loss of income. He's the sole provider.
I don't know that. I mean, it's just, how do I know that? You could be taking time off. You could take vacation for 10 days, you know?
Stand up.
You know, but it's not really a punishment to just stay at home and get to just hang out.
Plus, we also need to look at it. It's granted it was up there, but it's in front of you as a Class A indecent assault. You know, would that merit, if it wasn't a felony, it was just charged as an indecent assault, would it merit 10 days of jail as a condition of a 2-year deferred? We don't even do that for DWIs.
If you want more time, I'm happy to give you more time, you know. I don't know, Joe. I don't know. I don't really. I don't know what is appropriate, what is not. If you need more time, you know,
I'll defer to the court, Judge. Like I said, I'm just advocating for my client.
you know, and I'll give you more time so he doesn't have to turn himself in tomorrow. But, you know, just sitting at home, that's not punishment. They filed the case. If he really was not guilty, then you go, right? You try the case. And I don't understand why, you know, just.
And we were going to go, well, that's why we were set for over a year, 7 times ready to go. And then now at the last minute, the state comes back and says, Class A deferred dismissal, no registration, sexual registration. Bingo. Who's not going to take that, Judge?
Right.
When you just heard of,
If you want more time, I'll give you more time. I don't know if I'm ready to just, there has to be some, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, if you want more time, I'm happy to give you more time for him to turn himself in, you know. I don't think staying at home is a punishment. It's not. And I think that we have to balance the interests of everyone involved, you know, really. Your main concern is the job, right? Is that your main concern?
right, and then, like I said, he helps with the baby and then takes care of his mom as well.
Okay, I'm sure he can find someone else to help take care. So look, what I'll do for you is find out whatever he has vacation, and I'm willing to give him some time, you know, so that he doesn't lose his job. Because I don't want him to lose his job as well.
You do weekends?
I don't think they don't do weekends, do they? They don't allow weekends. They don't have the manpower to do it. When you do it, it has to be straight time. Yeah. I'm willing to give you more time if you want to talk to him and see what's better for his schedule so that we don't, because I don't want him to lose his job, obviously.
Okay.
And, you know, I'll go down to like a week, 7. But there has to be some kind of punishment, really. And because I just don't think that home confinement, that's not punishment. That's a gift. For me, that'd be a gift. I can play Fortnite 24 hours a day, man.
All right, Judge.
Yeah.
Okay, Judge, I'll call him right now. Okay, thank you.